You may have questions about going through security while you travel. Here are the basics. Go through walk-in metal detectors or be hand-wanded without worrying about damaging your transmitter or sensor. You can also always ask for a full-body pat-down instead. Let the security officer know the sensor can't be removed because it's inserted under the skin. Full-body scanners, also called AIT or millimeter wave scanners, have not been tested and may affect the system, so don't use those. And you don't want to put any Dexcom G6 components you may have in your bag through baggage x-ray machines. Ask the TSA officer to perform a visual inspection. Place all components in a separate bag before handing over. Of course, if you have any questions, call Dexcom Technical Support or Dexcom Care.